Calling all master designers. Welcome to my first ever crossover special episode. And tonight's special episode, we'll be drawing an old friend of mine. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Tonight's episode. Remember that I said last time that Elinor has Ultra Instinct? Well, that's who we're drawing today. Tonight, we're finally gonna draw Ultra Instinct Elinor. Yes! At long last! I've been wanting to have this crossover since, well, I don't know how long it's been since I've wanted to plan a crossover. Remember I told you about having my crossover series, Pokedigi, Digital Pocket Monsters? Well, I've got good news for you. This warrior, she's gonna be in my series. Well, I would like to thank a personal and good friend of mine, my buddy Ty. I asked him to draw me this few countless times, and check it out. This is what he drew. Sorry, light. You can see it now. It's a little thin. Sure, he drew it Ultra Instinct dyes. But the way I drew it, I draw it like this. Anyways, I'd like to thank Ty for drawing this awesome character for me. I know what Ty said that Elinor having Ultra Instincts would be well, I don't want to bother you guys by saying this, but in this case, based on his opinion, I prefer it to be an awesome manga. No offense, Ty. I know you think Ultra Instinct Elinor may be a ridiculous idea, but to me, I think that seeing Elinor with Ultra Instinct would be a very interesting thing. Catchphrase intended. If you think seeing Ultra Instinct Elinor is awesome, you should have seen Ultra Instinct Matsuki. I'm kind of putting together a contest real soon. Whoever puts in the most votes between a battle between Ultra Instinct Matsuki and Elinor will receive one of the Pokemon games that I have in my collection. So I'm drawing the hair. Here's the legs. I've always wanted to put together a contest on who would win in a battle. Ultra Instinct Elinor or Power of the Cubit Seismoflame mix. Let it be known I will draw that real soon. And last but not least, here's the Ultra Instinct aura that surrounds Elinor. And of course, I'm going to draw this character I'm going to show more of this character real soon. And there she is. That is Ultra Instinct Elinor from Elinor Wonders Why. Now that is very powerful. Elinor's curiosity has taken her to another level. Over the limit and beyond. To learn more about the crossovers, visit me on Instagram, coming soon, and I'll teach you more about crossovers like this. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what interesting character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. And here's a comment from Elinor. Autonomous Ultra Instinct? That is so interesting!